Good Tuesday afternoon. Thanks for joining us at 4. I'm Lee Mills. Dane County is marking a milestone in women's health. Today is the 1-year anniversary of the ConnectRx Wisconsin program. It's part of the Save Our Babies initiative to improve Black birth outcomes in Dane County. The county has one of the worst Black infant mortality rates in the U.S. The goal of ConnectRx is to improve care and resources for Black mothers and increase financial support.
It's a major component of our strategy to improve Black birth outcomes that uses innovative technology coupled with people power, good old-fashioned people power, to bridge clinical and community care.
The initiative is a partnership between several groups, including the County Health Department and the Foundation for Black Women's Wellness.